I never thought I'd call this a budget keyboard. These days, it's becoming cheaper and cheaper, and you're getting more and more features packed into one unit. Today we have one of those keyboards that is packed with features that would make people like me in 2020 question every keyboard decision I had. This is the Tide75 from Epomaker, and it's the best keyboard that Epomaker has to offer. But is it worth it? Let's talk about it. But first, a bit of a disclaimer. Epomaker sent these over for an honest and unbiased review, and that's what we're going to do here today. Let's first unbox the board and see what's inside. Of course, the box has the Type-C cable, the keycap and switch combo tool, a manual, and apparently an Allen wrench to open the case. The usual Epomaker stuff, apart from the Allen wrench, of course. So this keyboard has been reviewed and out in the wild for a while now. But today we have a version 2 of this board. The difference being now it has cherry profile keycaps with a nice smoke gradient on it. And get this, it has Epomaker's new zebra switches. But let me tell you more about this keyboard. The board is a 6063 aluminum keyboard that comes in at 1.8 kilograms. And look at those golden chamfers. And the weight at the back, it's cool. It's a super shiny fingerprint magnet. But yeah, let's open up the case and see what's inside. So first off, when we open the case, we see the gasket mounted internals. It's not super soft. It's a little bouncy but nothing really new. Underneath, you see the 4000 mAh battery and the daughter board that's connected with cables. When we disconnect the cables, we have the plate and the PCB with a sandwich of foams. The board is also hot swap with Perky RGB. It has an FR4 plate with a lot of flex cuts. It also has a full foam sandwich, that's your plate foam, PE foam, a PET sheet, and a case foam. But get this, it also has tri-mode with a 4000 mAh battery and it's VIA compatible. A feature I think should be standard these days, but I guess it costs a little bit more to have it done. Let me know if you guys use VIA or QMK, or do you prefer just learning the manufacturer's software every time you buy a new keyboard? Tell me in the comments below. Subscribe while you're there. The board is really made to be flexy because of the flex plate and the PCB having flex cuts as well. I guess that's why we need the PET sheet. Not really a big fan of the flex cuts because of the sound, but I guess it makes up for it. Anyway, let's put it back together and hear how it sounds. Conclusion. The Tide75 is Epomaker's reply to the trend of budget keyboards having all the bells and whistles, like tri-mode, VIA compatibility, and it has an aluminum case. The anodizing on which is really good. Add that with the golden chamfers, which something I've only seen in the Mr. Suit by Owl Labs, which is a much more expensive board at the time, of course. Let me know in the comments down below which boards you know have this. In addition, the PVD weight on the back, it's cool, and I think if you want to customize it with stickers or paint, it would be a great place to put it. Like how some of the ACO ACR boards did, but weight-wise, it doesn't do much. It's almost the same weight as if you covered it. All that aside, at 140 USD for the black and e-blue version, and 120 USD for the pink and purple version, Epomaker makes really good quality keyboards. But I never thought I would call something like this a budget keyboard. Honestly, what else can you ask for in a keyboard? I mean, yes, there are lots of other cheaper keyboards that offer almost the same things, but Epomaker is just one of those brands that you know makes their boards with better QC and it feels like it's built to last. Even in today's standards, the keyboard is still a great keyboard for the price, especially compared to brands like Glorious or Keychron. But what do you guys think? Does this board punch above its weight, or is it an overpriced aluminum keyboard? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe while you're there. It helps the channel a lot. Links will be in the description of where you can buy the Tide75. Anyway guys, thank you for your time, have a great day, and see you in the next one. See ya!
I think when I
Okay.
No, you did that right before. Wait. Stop.
Okay.
That could be a blooper. Don't look here.